Hello traders. Let me introduce you a very good tool. It's called Commitment of Traders script or indicator. It is released from CME every Friday. So every Friday you should turn this indicator on and see the data. So you get actual information. What are the biggest traders doing, biggest players in the market on the futures. This indicator is not made by me, or it's for free in the database, and we also made the same version, which I will share in the group in case they will unpublish it one day, or I don't know. Yeah, it's made from the crypto sniper guy, and his name is, I think, Francis Hunt. He's a good guy. I'm watching him for a few years. I'm watching this indicator for past 2 years. I really like it. It's like not real indicator which like MACD on RSI, but this is real data, so it's just script, so you can understand them better. So yeah, it helped me define my decisions for the past 2 years, I can say. What to do with my hodl, because this cannot be used. It's very hard to use for day trades, but it's good for swing trading. You can also know when to take profit on your major hodl portfolios, or when to take profit from major swing, and also when to enter counter swing. Yeah, when you have good technical analysis and you know what are the bigger traders doing, you can look for a trade. It will give you advantage. It will be good Confluence for you, I do not doubt. We can explain what this indicator do, so it's much easier for you to understand. So we can see we have 3 lines here. The red lines are shorts. I mean, they are the biggest distributors in the market, and they are the 4 biggest distributors on the futures market. They are usually the miners. Most of them should be miners, yeah, because they usually have the most of the Bitcoin, or it can be some big entity. Yes, it's their open interest, so it's directly showing you who has interest to sell right now and what's the what's their mission. We have the green line, which are the buyers on the market, the 4 biggest open interest buyers on the market. Those are usually the clever money, institution, funds, and so on. This is clever capital, and we should be paying attention. What are they doing? Okay. And now, also we should go to 7-day chart. It's looking better because it's published every 7 days. So let's go. Okay, it's over here. So, and we have the blue line over here, which is the delta between them, and the signal is actually created when delta between sellers and buyers is very small, and it's just 5% from within each other. You can see here they are trying to kiss. Yeah, when they are trying to kiss, you have the signal again, very close, very super close right now. So the sell is coming, the signal, when you reach the 70 on the chart, when you are very close to 70. So from 65 and above, you are in danger, and you need to know it. And from for the long signal, it needs to be the blue line. Delta needs to be close to 0 or below the 0. That's the best case scenario. Now let's go to daily chart so we can go over trades. I think we had 10 trades, and only one of them was not working precisely. Also, these data are tracking from 2019. Here we were just building it, but from this moment it was pretty precise. So very nice. First long here at 4,000 around. And you had indicator to sell here, indication to sell here at 10,000. So you made big profit, and there was one more at 12,000. So if you took swing here, or average in, which is always the best option, and you took profit from the longs, you are really smiling. Very nice long here from 6,700 to 10,000, perfect. And we had the signal here. There was also caution, so caution you need to pay attention as well, which is at 50, I think. delta 50, yes. Amazing. Another good like trade, or you would be doing a very good decision. This was the coronal drop, and of course we look at the buyers. They stepped in heavily, amazingly, like up to 40, 48. Crazy open interest. Rise. So good signal, another good signal. Right now no selling is coming because market is like bottoming. It's only showing you when is the best time to accumulate. Even here was even yeah, same. This was our main phase of the bull run. Very good. What is important to say, you can, with these lines, you can also analyze the market a bit. It is clearly showing you, even because what I understand from this, as market was pushing from 12k, you can see open interest is still on the same for the sellers. I think they were distributing Bitcoin already here quite a lot. But since we made the first 40k top, their interest to sell started to drop, you know, because it's after halving, yeah. So Bitcoin, you know, we are mining less and they are getting less inventory to sell. So 40k and their interest is still dropping. So look here, buyers are slowly heading up, which is normal. Even at the highs, we do not see jump on open interest. So I think they, you know, they wasted ammunition, we can say. We have a lot of data for this also from Glassnode. They just, yeah, they sold too early, the miners. And they are still slowly selling, but yeah, it's not main. Even at the, look here, 50k, and there are still little interest here, little rise to 47. Yeah, it's just declining trend, you can clearly see. Now we had first, I would say not tricky long, but it was as a swing for sure. It was much better long based on the signal than over here. So you had, where was the trade? At this candle, yes. 42,000 was the another indicator entry. And then we have the major drop. I think it was the more Elon Musk news. But in the end, if you counted a swing without a big leverage, okay, it would pay off very well. Look here, boom. So that's how you should treat this indicator. Be very careful. Do not try to scalp it, you know, or scalp it or day trade. It must be truly, yeah, more long-term trade. Ideally with small leverage or very, you know, very good money management. At least from this point, you know the market is interested in buying on CME futures, and the big traders will be probably accumulating. We had other data, so if we combine this indicator with other data, it will be hard to beat us. You know, we can make the best decisions. We can predict the market pretty well. So you know where they are interested to buy. It's this region, and now the last 4 trades. By the way, first time in history something amazing happened. It was never in the past. The buyers were always weaker on open interest on futures than sellers, and right now the sellers' interest is still continuing to down. Like they are not willing to sell even on these new all-time highs. It's crazy, you know. I will be watching, for example, this week because I want to see what are they doing. Yeah, are they truly ignoring this uptrend and they want to sell higher, like say 80k or 100k? Who knows? We can see how there is no even delta. They are so tight, you know. So it's flashing longs all 4 weeks in the line, and the market is, you know, confirming it's working like nicely, like charm. So I hope this explanation was fine. It's really easy indicator. You just watch these things, but I hope you understand now what these lines mean, and I hope it will bring us very good decisions in the future. I just want to see when the sellers truly, when the biggest distributors start to truly be ready for selling and so on. So for now, Bitcoin is bullish and we will be watching it. Okay, so thank you for your attention. Again, credits goes to Francis Hunt and Crypto Sniper. He's truly the good guy to follow for fundamentals. And yeah, I wish you really good trading, guys, and see you in the group. Bye bye.